Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to make an advertisement within 10 minutes with minimum quantity of matters. Today I am going to make an advertisement about water. First of all, we taken a bottle and a leaf, and I am going to make this. It's very easy guys. If you really want to know how I make this awesome advertisement, you have to subscribe on my channel, and maybe later I uploading some interesting tutorial video for you guys. Stay with me, let's get